In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send free SMS from Gmail. Imagine being able to send text messages directly from your Gmail account effortlessly. This feature can be a lifesaver, especially if you're someone who spends a lot of time on your computer and wants the convenience of not switching devices. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to open your internet browser and navigate to Google Search. Once there, type in "How to send free SMS from Gmail." This search will lead you to essential resources that outline Google's capabilities for sending texts directly from email. After conducting your search, you'll likely come across various articles and guides. The crucial part here is to find the most relevant, up-to-date information. Often, these pages will provide detailed steps and necessary prerequisites. One thing to keep in mind is that this capability might not be directly integrated into Gmail, and you could require a third-party service. Continue exploring your search results until you find the instructions or service that works for your needs. Once you've identified the appropriate method or tool, you'll want to follow any setup instructions carefully. This might include verifying your phone number or giving permissions to access your Gmail account. Ensuring that you're set up correctly is vital to prevent any issues and to maintain the security of your information. Different providers might have varied procedures, but generally, you will input the recipient's phone number into a designated field within the Gmail interface. Often, you'll also need to format the number in a specific way, sometimes including the country code. Check the guidelines provided to ensure you're entering this information correctly. Next, compose the body of your SMS like you would an ordinary email. Keep in mind that standard SMS messages have character limits, often around 160 characters. Anything longer might be split into multiple messages, so it's good to stay concise and clear. Double-check your message to make sure it conveys the intended information within these limits. After composing your message, send it off by clicking the Send button. Just like an email, your SMS will be transmitted instantly. It's always a good idea to test with a familiar phone number first to see if everything works smoothly. Now, with all these steps complete, you've successfully sent a free SMS through Gmail. This method not only offers a convenient way of messaging, but it also saves time and effort. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. If you have any questions or thoughts, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.